interrupted with the Sevenzipsharp library DLL blocking 7-zip project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Sevenzipsharp library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Sevenzipsharp library, a managed .NET wrapper for the 7-zip library. It allows CBES and VB.NET applications to create and extract 7Z archives via code. It is a common dependency for many game mod loaders and auto updaters. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing the software from unpacking its own data. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The Sevenzipsharp library DLL module is a localized part of the 7-zip project integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the 7-Zipsharp library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. A vital technical reminder: modifying 7-Zipsharp library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing 7-Zipsharp library references. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter a 7-Zipsharp library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.